Today's CNC project, we're going to make a child seatbelt safety lock. Does your child have a tendency to unbuckle the seatbelt while you're driving? This is a situation that can be very dangerous, but fortunately is easily rectified using your CNC machine. How, you might ask? Well, we did some research and we went on to Amazon, and sure enough, there are companies that make these plastic caps that go over the seatbelt, and they have a gap in the top that prevents your child from placing their finger in there to open up the button. Then you can use a key and easily push it down and pop the button open to get the seatbelt released. So why buy from Amazon when you have a CNC machine?